Wrestling fans, today we've got a 2022 Panini Chronicles WWE. Of course, this is the first year Panini has the WWE cards. Features 7 cards per pack, 6 packs per box. On the front of the box, you've got the almighty Bobby Lashley, Liv Morgan, Bianca Belair, Drew McIntyre. We're looking for holographic Opta Chrome cards inside. It's got the odds here on the side. And 7 cards per pack, 6 packs per box. That's 42 cards. We pay $24.98 per box. That's 59 cents per card. So without further ado, let's rip into this thing and see what we've got here. Get the seal off. Of course, go to our YouTube channel. We have opened up some of the Panini Prism boxes and hanger boxes and blaster boxes. And today we get our first look at the Chronicles. So here we go. Let's get all the packs in. Who do you collect? Nice packaging. And here are the black packs inside. Nice packaging there. Love the black color there to offset the red. And we've got a Ronda Rousey there. Alexa Bliss. And Natalya. Bret the Hitman Hart. That's a nice looking card. Let's check out the back of these real quick. And you can see the Bret Hart is a refractor. So sweet card right there. Awesome Bret Hart refractor. Drew McIntyre score. Wendy Cho rookie card. And Prestige Nikki Bella. Nice looking card. So this is their take on kind of the Topps Heritage here. You're getting different look score. You got the one Chronicle card, the Rousey at the beginning there. Here's a Rock Chronicle. Check out the back of that. Awesome card. We got Dominic Mysterio Chronicle. Jinder Mahal Chronicle. We've got an Elite Lacey Evans refractor. Sweet card there. Let's check out the back. Not much going on there, but we got a Triple H inside the Elimination Chamber legacy card. Nice card. An Origins Gunther. Sweet card there. Ronda Rousey. About to tap out Charlotte Flair there. Got her in the leg lock. So 2 packs in. Nice. 2 packs. First 2 packs look good. And for 59 cents a card, they better be loaded like this. So far, 2 packs in, I think it's pretty nice. We've got an X-Pac Chronicle card. And the Macho Man Randy Savage Chronicle. Nice card. Oh, yeah. Check out the back of the Macho Man. We got a Mandy Rose Chronicle card. Nice looking card there. And we got a Mandy Rose Flux Refractor. You can see it refracting there. Nice card. Mandy Rose. NXT Prism. We got an Amari Miller rookie card, a black optic. 2.0. Solo Sikoa. Part of the bloodline. The rated rookie Donruss card. So nice card there. That was one I really wanted. And we got a season ticket, the Panini Contenders, Alexa Bliss. So 3 packs in. Nice 3 packs there. So far, so good. Definitely like Finn Balor. Definitely like this series, I think, already better than the Prism. Angelo Dawkins. Ultimate Warrior. We got another solo rookie card, Chronicle rookie card. And we got a Jerry Lawler refractor. And we got a Veer Mahan rookie card, rated rookie card. And we got a contender, Asuka. We got 2 packs left here. So far, so good. I've been impressed. I mean, when you get a solo Sakai rookie card, though, you're going to be happy, I guess. We got Otis, Junkyard Dog. Another solo rookie card. Awesome. A Yokozuna certified refractor. And we got the Immortal Hulk Hogan Legacy. Nice card there. Hulk Hogan. We got Kit Wilson Origins rookie card. And we've got Rhea Ripley. Absolute memorabilia, Rhea Ripley. And our last pack here. So if you're going to get 2 cards, 2 of the same cards, get 2 solo rookie cards. Can't go wrong there. Commander Aziz. Captain Lou Albino. Mr. T Chronicles. We got another Alexa Bliss Contenders. And oh, looky there. We got a Bron Breakker. I think this is the Optic Black rookie card refractor. Can't go wrong with Bron Breakker. And JBL Playoff. And we got Big E. Luminous SmackDown. Get well, Sue, Big E. Hope to see you back. So awesome pack. We got a Bron Breakker and a Solo Sakai rookie cards. We got lots of legends. Got a couple refractors. Got Hulk Hogan, Bret Hart. Awesome pack. Go to our eBay store. We'll be listing some of these individually for sale. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We've got more box openings. We've got the Panini Prism. And we've got some AEW Upper Deck box breaks. Subscribe to our channel and give this video a big thumbs up for Panini WWE Chronicles.